Hello, welcome to the demo of MoSMB Standalone solution installation using Ansible. The Ansible scripts for installation are provided as part of the MoSMB package. For the demo, we have three machines with RHEL 9.4, and we will install MoSMB package and configure it for NTLM local authentication using the Ansible scripts. And this is going to be for a standalone solution. So this is the package. We can extract the package, accept the EULA. In this folder, we have the Ansible tar. In this folder, we have the RPM for the standalone package. Let's extract the Ansible tar. It has created an Ansible folder. There are few prerequisites. We need to set the passwordless SSH. We for the demo purpose we will use the user Sarka one. We can do the SSH keygen first. And we will store the key in the home directory of the user. We will copy the SSH ID to the other nodes that we are trying to configure for MoSMB. We are using three nodes for now. We also need to enable legacy set in OpenSSL.cnf. On all the nodes. Under provider set, we need to enable the legacy set here. It is already enabled here. Also in legacy set, we need to enable these two lines, the legacy set and activate. That's about it. On the controller node, this is going to be my Ansible controller node. So we need Python pip 3 and Ansible on this node. So let's check what Python I have. Python is available. Let's see if I have pip3, otherwise we can install it with yum install or dnf install python 3 pip. We already have pick 3. Let's see if we have Ansible available as part of pick 3. If not, we can always install it using this command pip3 install. So we are in the Ansible folder. Here the inventory is in host folder file. So let's update that. Today we are going to install MoSMB SA built on 3 nodes. So I'll just add 3 IPs for the node. So this is my Ansible controller. So that is why the Ansible connection equal to local line is present. We will add IPs of the other nodes where we want the SA build to be installed. We do not need Zookeeper for SA standalone. The others also you can ignore for NTLM local installation. There is ansible.cfg where we need to give the remote user. Since we have done passwordless SSH for user Sarika1, I'm going to use that here, and the path as well is going to be as I had given during SSH keygen. For the installation, there is another config which is called MoSMB underscore install config. Let's go to the top. Here we are going to add some user which will be used for accessing the SMB share. So let's say we have uh, t- user test user 2 with group test user 2, and this is the password and this is the UID and GID for the user. So we make it 5005. This is going to be the SMB password for the user when the user accesses the SMB share. Uh, for NTLM local, we are going to skip the pre-checks section. The share name is going to be MoSMB share, and the share path we can choose what we want. Let me change it to this is the pstore path, which is the housekeeping folder for MoSMB. The auth mode is going to be NTLM local, and the server mode we have to make it standalone. Let's save this, and we will run the playbook for installation. This is the become password, which is the password for Sarika1 user, since we've done passwordless SSH for Sarika1. The Ansible script will try to install all the prerequisites. This error seems to be for the package EPEL release, which is directly not available in the RHEL 9.4 repo. So either we make it available in the local repo, or there's a link from where we can install it. We need to install it on all the nodes. And we will rerun the playbook. The script has finished. So let's check MoSMB installed. So we have a MoSMB available on all the nodes. The RPM you can see that is installed on all the three nodes. Let's try and access the share. Let's say we go to some Windows client. One of the nodes IP is 109. So the user we had used was test user 2, and the password was passwd for SMB access. So we can see that the share is available. We can try other node. The share is accessible over here too. Thank you.